Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Good figure, can hold liquor, likes jigger, can mess with her. One me got, run with her. She's a lot, them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jen. If you are new, today's video is being sponsored by Kalyss hair. This wig that I am reviewing is a wig that I haven't done in a while. I have a braided wig. This is a 36-inch knotless box braid wig, full lace wig, you guys. I freaking love this wig. Okay, this specific wig is a natural black color, and this braided wig is lighter and more durable than the other braided wigs. They may be kind of heavy, but this one is not, and it comes with baby hairs, so you have the option to, you know, make your soups or whatever based on your preference. This unit, I freaking love it because it is so convenient, especially if you don't like to sit in a salon for hours. You can get the same style within minutes, so you don't have to sit there and wait for hours to get your hair done. And you know, braids, box braids are very expensive, so you just go ahead and buy this wig one time and you got braids for a long time, honey. Okay, and I love the braids. It's not like I'm so glad it's not heavy, especially with it being 36 inches. It's not heavy at all. But I'm going to cut the lace, and then I want to show you guys a few styles that's perfect for this summer that I like to wear, you know, half a pap down to the side. And plus, I know y'all seen that this wig came with some jewelry, so I'm gonna put some jewelry on the hair, just show you guys some styles or whatever. So stay tuned for that. I would like to thank Kalyss hair for sponsoring this video. You guys, check the link in the description box below. They are having a sale, so be sure to check that out. You may have a discount code as well, so check that out. Leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what y'all think, which style was, you know, your favorite. And also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video.
Good figure, can hold liquor, likes jigger, can mess with her. One me got, run with her. She's a lot, them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a monkey. You make my head to swell, I make a man fi sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
So gently, kiss my lips so gently. Rub my back so gently. My back so gently. Oh, so gently. In my Bentley. Kiss my right.
Original.
One by one, right next to me.
Original bad man, oh.
I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me. My baby.
Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily. Moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a monkey. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love
liquor like Stiga. Can't mess with her. One me got, run with her. She's a lot, them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter. No pattern. Give me any how you feel I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man fi sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Want me.
So gently, kiss my lips so gently. Rub my back so gently. My back so gently. Oh, so gently. In my mentally. Kiss my right.
Original.
One by one, right next to me.
Original bad man, oh.
I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me. My baby.
Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily. Moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter. No pattern. Give me any how you feel I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man fi sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Want me.
Good figure, can hold liquor like Stiga. Can't mess with her. One me got, run with her. She's a lot, them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter. No pattern. Give me any how you feel I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man fi sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me.